Lamb chop is a great dish that contains the rib portion of meat. It has lots of protein and is rich in iron. It is a great dish for special occasions and I hope that you enjoy watching me make this dish. Hello and welcome to Ronys Restaurants. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also follow me on Facebook. The links are in the description of this video. For garam masala, the ingredients we will need are 3 star anise, 3 curry leaves, 1 nutmeg, 4 black cardamom, 1 mace, 10 green cardamom, 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon black pepper. If you already have garam masala powder at home, then feel free to use that. But here we are going to make it. Let's blend it together. Let's check our masala. Here we can see our garam masala is now ready. Let's plate them. Now we can add our already made cinnamon stick powder to our masala. I already had some made cinnamon powder, hence I will use it here. Let's mix together. For chopped khalabona, the ingredients we will need are 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 medium sized onion small cut, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 10 dry red chilies, 1 cup oil, 1 cup mustard oil, 2 medium sized onion cube shape cuts. Here our homemade garam masala powder. In a plate, 1 whole garlic small cut, 1 whole garlic smashed, 3 pieces of ginger small, 3 pieces of ginger smashed. And here we have some fried onions. If you are unsure how to make it, refer to my rogan juice video. The links is in description of this video. And finally, here is our 1 kg of lamb chops. Now let's put our chops in a pot. Top of the chop, let's add our turmeric powder. Next, we're gonna add our red chili powder. After red chili powder, we're gonna add our coriander powder. After coriander powder, we're gonna add salt in. And then we're gonna add our smashed garlic and smashed ginger paste. And then we're gonna add our oil. Let's mix everything we just made along with the chops into a pot. Then we must give a thorough mix. Then more we mix, the more flavor will be inside. And here we can add our fried onion. Give them a good mix. The Lamb Ranna dish is mixing a series of different spices to then end up with mouth-watering chops. If you want to learn how to make Lamb Ranna lamb meat, the link to that video is in the description below. Let's add our cube-shaped onions. Give another good mix. We can now put it on the hob and leave it on a medium flame. Let's it rest for 5 minutes. Let's cover the lid. Let's check after 5 minutes. As you can see, there is water coming out of the chops. If there isn't and you feel as though it is dry, feel free to add 1 cup of water. Here we're gonna give them another good mix. Here let's add our black pepper. Next we're gonna add our cumin powder. After cumin powder we're gonna add garam masala powder. The more masala added and the more mixed, the more taste you will find. Let's cover the lid for another 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes later, let's check our chops. Here we can see there is no water, but there is oil. The oil is coming from the chops, which means our chops is boned very well. Now let's cover the lid for another 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. Here in another pan, let's add our remaining ingredients. We're gonna add our mustard oil in. Once oil is little bit hot, we can add our dry red chili. Give them one mix. Next, we can add our 1 cup of onion. After onion, now we can add our cut garlic and remaining ginger paste. Now we're gonna give them a good mix and wait for it to get brown color-ish. Here we can see our onion is brown color. Another 8 minutes later, let's open the lid. By the time we have finished with our onions, it would be time to check up on our chops. Here we can see our chops is browned very well. Let's add our onions. Now we're gonna give them a mix. Finally, let's cover for another 5 minutes. Before serving, let's check our kalabuna chops. Here we can see our chops is browned very well. Now let's serve them. Here is our kalabuna chops is done now. Our dish is finally ready to be served and devoured. Kalabuna chops can be eaten with naan, roti, rice, and other foods while still maintaining its delightful flavor. We can now serve our homemade 5-star quality kalabuna chops. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment letting me know what you would like me to make next.